Polar regions have experienced rapid warming over the last 25 years, averaging between 1 degree and 2 degrees Celsius per decade. This warming trend at the poles has not only diminished the amount of fresh water captured in the Arctic ice, but also has increased the influx of fresh water from rivers flowing into the Arctic Ocean. Both processes decrease the salinity of the waters in the North Atlantic and thereby their density. Might these changes interfere with the global conveyor belt? Would this wreak havoc with the Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift that temper coastal climates? Might Manhattan experience the near instantaneous freezing depicted in the Hollywood fantasy The Day After Tomorrow? Several lines of evidence indicate that the global conveyor belt in the northern Atlantic has slowed down in recent years. Spatial gradients of sea surface heights, because water flows downhill, indicate the direction and magnitude of currents. Satellites have monitored sea surface heights with high precision for over a decade, and the Labrador current by this measure has been declining. Moreover, oceanographers have conducted a transatlantic transect at latitude 25 degrees north 5 times since 1957, measuring water temperatures and current flow and direction at various depths. Deep, cold southward currents, those below 3,000 meters, were slower in recent samplings. In short, most climatologists consider that the quick freeze scenario of natural disaster films is highly improbable. Indeed, despite the weakening of the deep North Atlantic currents, sea surface temperatures in the North Atlantic and neighboring coastal regions are warming rather than cooling. It would thus seem premature to give my regards to Broadway.
Give my regards to Broadway, remember me to Herald Square. Tell all the gang at 42nd Street that I will soon be there.
In summary, number 1, the greenhouse effect explains the energy balance of Earth and its surroundings. Number 2, without greenhouse gases, Earth's surface would cool to about minus 18 degrees Celsius from its current average of plus 14 degrees. Number 3, clouds reflect incoming solar radiation promoting global cooling and absorb long-wave radiations from Earth's surface promoting global warming. Number 4, ocean waters circulate around Earth and establish patterns that are changing, possibly as a result of global warming.